In the rapidly evolving world of online education, creating a faceless online course has become a promising avenue for individuals seeking to share their expertise and generate passive income. Leveraging the capabilities of ChatGPT, an advanced AI language model, you can streamline the course creation process and potentially earn $500 per month. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps of crafting a faceless online course using specialized prompts tailored to your subject. Step 1. Define your subject and objectives. Begin by identifying the subject of your online course. Whether it's digital marketing, language learning, or culinary skills, the possibilities are vast. For our example, let's choose Introduction to Digital Marketing. Use my ChatGPT prompts to create the course outline. Understanding digital marketing, navigating social media platforms, search engine optimization, SEO, basics, social media and email marketing strategies, analyzing digital marketing metrics. Using my engineered prompts, your students will come out of your course with proficiency in digital marketing fundamentals, practical skills applicable to real-world scenarios, and confidence to execute effective marketing campaigns. Step 2. Generate course content with ChatGPT. With your subject and objectives in mind, use my specialized prompts to generate content for your online course. Leverage ChatGPT's responses to create video scripts that explain each main point concisely. Develop presentation slides that visually complement the content and ensure the voiceover scripts are articulate and compelling. Step 3. Utilize my AI platform for course creation. Now, use my AI platform to transform the generated content into a comprehensive online course. My platform utilizes the scripts and auto-generates videos, visually appealing presentations, and AI voiceovers for a seamless learning experience. Step 4. Monetize your course. To turn your online course into a source of passive income, establish a pricing strategy. Because you have high-value information from my engineered prompts and high-quality, high-engagement video presentations from my AI platform, you can charge the highest rates on Udemy, $299. Step 5. Marketing and promotion. Even the best courses need effective promotion. Using my platform's automated marketing, you'll have the best digital marketing strategies to reach your target audience. My marketing platform will auto-generate social media posts, email campaigns, and promotions to create awareness. Creating a faceless online course has never been more accessible, thanks to the synergy between human creativity and AI capabilities. By defining your subject, generating content with ChatGPT, utilizing my AI platform for course creation, and implementing a strategic marketing plan, you can establish a reliable stream of passive income. The potential to earn $500 per month is achievable with dedication and a commitment to delivering value through your online course. Learn more about the specific prompts to use in my online course, and find the link in the description below. Start your journey to financial empowerment through faceless course creation today.